All right, after that video, hopefully you learned a few new things about using Google search, and I just want to go over kind of a few reminders before you dive into the assignment. And so we've talked about some of these things since we've been kind of focusing on Google and searching the past several weeks. So the first thing is just keeping things simple. So when it comes to this, less is more. So trying to think of what keywords, like what things are you really wanting to know about, instead of typing out big, whole, long phrases and sentences, just because that's just a lot for Google to handle and it might give you more results than what you're actually looking for. The next thing is utilizing Google's autocomplete feature. So I'm sure you all have noticed when you start to type things into Google, like when you look at this picture here, you start to type in waterfall and then it tries to think, like, what are you wanting to know? So if it has that pop up, absolutely click on that. That's going to help you get the best results because Google already is starting to populate those things and obviously has information about that. Then the tool function. So this one might be a new one to you, but this just kind of helps you get more specific because you can see here, you know, obviously I could change it to images or videos, but then when it's talking about the tools, like then I have all of these other options here. Like if I'm looking for an image, I want it to be a specific size or a certain color. When I do things with my high school kids and we're going to be reusing images, this usage rights is a big thing. Type, like the file type. So lots of just other things to help us narrow that search. And kind of just get things more for what we're looking for in a faster way. Then those dreaded spelling mistakes, we all do it and it happens, but the search engine is going to try and autocorrect. So here you can see we misspelled galaxy. So then it tells me after I've typed in that search and Google's looking for things, it's also showing me results for this instead of that typo that I made. So that is a great feature of Google as well. Just trying to help you out and find what you actually are looking for. And so those are just some tips before you head on over to your assignment. And that assignment is located in Google Classroom. So I'm going to head there now. All right, so here in Google Classroom, it's going to be the top assignment, get more out of Google search. So you'll go ahead and click that. And then you all will have this assignment to open. And I'm just coming to the instructions so that I can also open the Google Doc for you. And so we just have 4 basic questions, but here's your directions. Using the module, so we'll click on this in a minute, you're going to find the answers to the following questions. Note, all answers should be in complete sentences. So I would want to go ahead and open up this resource that I'm giving you. Okay, so this is that same website I was just showing and going over information with you. Okay, so it's that same thing. And so then the first question, what is a keyword? So I'm going to have to search through my article to find a keyword. Now, one of the things that can help you if you're struggling to find a keyword, if you do on your Chromebooks, I believe it's Control F, and then you're going to get this little pop-up, and so I could type in keyword, and it's just going to help me find that, so that maybe will more quickly help me find my answer. So just a little trick that you could use. So I would read through that, decide what I think a keyword is, come back and type my answer in here, and then go on to the next question. Once you are done, or at the end of class, when the sub tells you to, you're going to just probably go ahead and turn this in for me. So you'll come over here and do submit, and it should be fairly simple since I've already attached this for you.